Hey, did you know that you can play all the chords in the key of G major or any major or minor key as 3-string bar chords? They're really easy to fret, so it's kind of cool in that way because anyone who just picked up the guitar can use it right away to access all the chords in a major or minor key and start making music and composing and improvising and playing and having fun right off the bat. This is a second version of this video. I figured I'd do one with electric. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do it. It's the G major. So it's G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor. Skip the 7th which is the F, because it's not available in a 3-string bar chord. So we just use 1 to 6, then it's back to the 1, the G. So I'll do them now. I'll do them 2 times. First time, I'll call them out by their letter name. Second time, I'm going to use numbers. So G major will be 1, B minor will be 2. I'm sorry, G major will be 1, A minor will be 2, B minor is 3, and so on. You'll see. Okay, here we go. G major. Oh, let me say one more thing. There are 3 major chords and 3 minor chords. The minor chords are all on strings 1, 2, 3, and the major chords are all on strings 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. G major, open on strings 2, 3, 4. A minor, right here. B minor. C major, back up to strings 2, 3, 4. D major. Then E minor is open on strings 1, 2, 3. Then back to the first chord, which is open 2, 3, 4, G major. Okay, so now I'll do it again and just call them out by numbers 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and the 1 and the 6, the G major and the E minor, they're both available down here too at the 12th fret. So here's G major. And here's E minor. Okay, one other thing worth noting is that on strings 1, 2, 3, the chords here, the root note is on the thinnest string, okay? That can be helpful sometimes if you're playing arpeggio. Sometimes you want to finish on the root note or begin. Anyway, the thinnest string is the root note for the chords on strings 1, 2, 3. And on strings 2, 3, 4, it's the middle string, the string number 3, that is the root. Okay? All right, that may be helpful. So that's it. I'm going to do another video where I'll run through some progressions using these chords, and right now I'm just going to play a little bit with these, and that's it. Okay, thanks.